All about protein synthesis. The central dogma of molecular biology is the specific pathway that protein synthesis follows. The pathway is from DNA to mRNA to protein. Transcription is the first step in protein synthesis, in which DNA's protein code is transcribed into mRNA inside of the cell's nucleus. Adenine pairs with uracil instead of thymine. A helpful way to remember transcription is to know the keyword transcribe, which means to write out a copy. And that's exactly what you do in transcription. You transcribe the DNA into another form, mRNA. After the DNA has been transcribed, the single-stranded mRNA leaves the nucleus and goes to a ribosome. Translation is the second step in protein synthesis, in which mRNA's protein code is translated into amino acids. This amino acid chain forms a polypeptide, also known as a protein. Each three-letter segment of nitrogen bases on a strand of mRNA is called a codon. These codons translate into amino acids. Now T, or transfer RNA, will bring in an anticodon, an amino acid, to pair with the mRNA's codon. But how do we know which amino acid tRNA will bring? Well, we can use a codon chart to find out. A codon chart shows all of the possible codon combinations and their corresponding amino acids. Using the three letters in the codon can help define the amino acid that it codes for. Our first codon is AUG. First, we find the row A. Then, we find the column U. Finally, on the right side, we find the row G. This codes for the amino acid methionine, the one and only start codon. We continue translation with all of the remaining codons in the sequence until we get to a stop codon. A helpful way to remember translation is to think of Google Translate, because codons are one language and amino acids are another, and the genetic code serves as a Google Translate. Our body performs protein synthesis whenever we need proteins, and without proteins, we wouldn't be alive. There are certain amino acids our body cannot produce, but we supply them to our bodies by eating nutritious foods every day.